Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, you are watching Glossy Tips. In this channel I deal with everything natural remedy, starting from hair care, face care, facial routines, oil, body scrub, everything with natural ingredient things that you have in your kitchen cabinet. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find my content interesting. My name is Susan. Right now I'm going to walk you along on how I make this vitamin C oil natural, super effective for brightening skin, for your hair moisturizing, and for great massage. The video is self-explanatory. We're just going to see how we do it process by process. It actually took me 3 days to do this video because I have to wait for the infusing process to be done. So right now, all will be needed is an orange, just orange peel. Believe me, after watching this video, you will never throw away your orange peel. Any citric fruits, you will never throw the peelings away because you get to see how you can make your own natural remedies, your own face scrubs, your own oil with citric fruits. So guys, let's keep washing. I just washed my orange. I'm going to further cleanse it with the help of a vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice. So I just cleanse it to be sure I remove every chemicals or every bacteria on its surface, because it's the surface that I'm going to use it. So the drying process, if you have the electric dryer, that will be very fine. But since I don't have the electric dryer, I just use my heater. During the winter time, you have this heater working, so I just place them on top of the heater, allow them to dry. I think it takes me about 3 days or so to have it dried properly. And after which, once it is dried, I just went ahead and blended it. I'm sorry the blending process isn't included in the video because I just want to save you time from washing, boring blending process. So once the orange peels are dried, I blended them to a fine powder. Just blend it as much as possible for you to obtain a very smooth powder. Once that is done, you'll be needing a jar, a bottle jar. Wash it very well. Make sure it is dried. In order for you to be sure it is well dried, because you don't need any trace of water in this oil, because it's going to make your oil get sour. And believe me, if you can make this process, this oil can last to 2 to 3 weeks at home without any preservatives. It is an oil, all-purpose oil. You can use it for your hair, use it for your body scrub, you can use it for massage, you can use it to treat your legs, you can use it to mix your cream. So it is an all-purpose oil. This is what I was explaining at the beginning of the video. I just dried them with the help of this gas heater for the winter so I just dried it. These ones, you can see the ones I set aside are dried already. This process always normally take me 3 to 4 days to dry them properly. This is the powder which I've blended just the way I was explaining it. The blending process wasn't included in the video. So all you'll be needing is a bottle jar for your preparation. Make sure the bottle jar is clean, well sterilized and dried. In order for me to be sure that my bottle is well dried, I'm going to heat it up on the flame directly for some seconds, just the way I'm doing it. Just heat it up for some seconds so I'll be very sure it is free from any form of humidity. I don't need a trace of water in it. So once I'm done with this process, I'm going to pour some 2 or 3 spoons of the orange peels, the powder, inside this jar. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use the almond oil, you can use the olive oil, you can use the sunflower oil. But I advise you, once when you are doing this, try go for any odorless oil, as this will give you great results. Any odorless oil will be fine, because the orange peel has a strong aroma of its own. So any odorless oil will be very, very fine. Right now, I'm going to use my olive oil. I will just put a good amount of it in, give it a good mix, then lock it very well with all my strength and make sure it is well tight. Then I put it on the flame in the boiling water. I allow it to steam for about 30 to 40 minutes. After that is done, I'll turn off the flame, remove my bottle, my vitamin C from the fire, and wrap it with a foil paper and put it in a dark place for extra 3 days. Why this process? Because when you keep a processed oil or a processing oil just like this in the dark, it helps it to get matured in the very right way and infuse better. So because I want every nutrient from the orange peas, so I have to follow this process step by step. So guys, if you've watched this far and you find my content interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. So guys, as you can see, like I said before, the video is self-explanatory. I just went ahead on my flame and allowed it to boil for 30 to 40 minutes. That should be fine. But if you want yours more than that, it is very fine. But anything less than 30 minutes boiling isn't advisable, because you don't want a raw, or you don't want to mix up your oil within 10 days. This can last for 2 to 3 weeks, like I said before, depending on how you process it. If you follow this system, this will last you 2 to 3 weeks. This can last 2 to 3 weeks without any form of preservatives. There's no preservatives in it. All I will add is an essential oil, and that is it. So guys, thanks for watching this far, and God bless you. So as you can see, this is one of the way you can preserve it in the dark, by using this foil paper to cover it, to create a dark atmosphere within the for the oil to relax and infuse better, and also get matured in a very right way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the kitchen cabinet for 3 days. Then once in a day, I bring it out and give it a good shake. Once in a day, I bring it out and give it a good shake. This is how I maintain my oil in a very good state of maturity. So what I'm going to do next, I'll be needing a cheesecloth, or you can use a light sock, something like this. I just prepare my bowl. Then, so as to be very fast in the process, I just prepare my bowl. First, I will go on with a filter. Then after, I do the second filtering with this light socks, or you can also use a scarf or any clean chips kitchen napkins, or rather a cheesecloth. A cheesecloth, I think a cheesecloth will be very fine and give you a great and clean oil without any seed or any trace of orange peel. So guys, as you can see, the process is so easy to make. Just need time. Yes, you need time, because the process isn't easy. If you are drying with an electric dryer, that will even hasten the process. But if you are using this traditional method I used, it's going to take some days extra. But then it worth it. This is my vitamin C oil. As you can see from the color, it is super natural, so unique, and I love the smell, because it was a bio orange, so it has a lot of natural aroma. All I added to this oil was some good amount of orange essential oil and some good amount of vitamin E. Why vitamin E? Because vitamin E work hand in hand with vitamin C for reconstructions, for brightening of skin, for healing of skin, for maintenance. So if you want to glow your skin and to get a bright complexion, try this process. Do it this way. I prepare mine, and believe me, you come back for me to thank me. This is one of the way I glow my skin. I make my skin so beautiful at home with natural ingredients. So if you're asking me if it absorbs very fast, listen to me. I made a past test on it with my hand. It absorbs very, very fast, very, very fast, and it will not leave a trace. Your skin will be popping, shining, and you will even want to thank me in the comment section for this great remedy. So my people, I think the video is self-explanatory. You can see I just added some good amount of my vitamin E and my orange essential oil to it. The reason why I added the essential oil is just to boost the aroma of the oil. As you can see, I did a patch test on my skin. It absorbed just 2 drops. You don't need much, except you are doing a massage that you'll be needing much. If for your moisturizing your skin, you just need some little amount of it. Then, and it absorbs so fast without leaving stain on your body or on your cloth. So you can see the difference between this hand I moisturize with the other. So I advise you, when you're storing it, store yours in a glass jar if you want to keep it for long. But if you have other intentions of using it soonest, just like the one I store in the plastic, in the spray bottle, because I have other intention of using it soonest, so I store some in the plastic jar. So guys, this will be all for this video, and if you find it helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Until next time, bye and God bless. Thanks for watching.